This adorable little accordion is the Ottavianelli Cub. It has 26 piano keys from the B below C, a C above that, and a C above that. And the left hand has 48 basses. And no register switches on the left hand. Okay, so let's go through the different registers. I'll play, let's see. That is the clarinet register. Now we're going to get into combinations of two registers. So we're going to have what's called violin. And we'll go to the other two, which is, this one's called polka. And viola. Okay, that's the two middles, and then the master switch is three middles. The left hand, as I said, has no register switches. It's just the one setting. So you have okay. All right, so let's hear a tune.